Hans Jenny made sound visible. Using speakers, tones and powders, he turned vibration into shape. Stars, lattices, spirals, calling it cymatics, the study of wave-shaped matter. His message was simple. Drive a system, set boundaries and watch order emerge. Plates, fluids, even gels reveal the same grammar. Nodes, antinodes, resonance. The patterns shift when frequency or amplitude changes because the system is selecting stable loops, not magic. Modern science applies the same principles to sort cells, move droplets and levitate objects. Jenny's real gift wasn't mysticism, it was method. Motion theory extends it. Measure the spectrum, track the leaks and predict the shape before you see it. From art to acoustophoresis, it's all motion finding form. For more info, watch the complete podcast.